Modernage model 770, Japanese made machine, Zig Zag machine. Alright, hold it. Now we're gonna back stitch. Hold it. I didn't.
Sorry.
What? We know nothing about this machine as far as all the functions and how to operate it. As is, it shows. There's some samples. We had the straight stitch working once upon a time. We can't figure out how to get it to work again. Awesome machine once you know how to use it. There's the light. This pedal here is for basically being mounted in a table for knee operation. Might need to be changed out or serviced. It works as is.
Spool pins for double threads.
And they fold. Japanese sewing motor, of course. Alright, contact us if you have any questions.